When production unexpectedly stops on process and packaging lines, it can have a huge impact on a company's profits. Even short amounts of downtime can result in product wastage, delayed deliveries, and logistical nightmares. To mitigate downtime issues, many leading food and beverage companies rely on IVC's video monitoring solutions. IVC's industry-proven cameras and rich video management software give you the tools you need to accurately understand what's happening with processes and respond to issues faster. Our suite of rugged and reliable industrial cameras meets the unique challenges of the food and beverage industry. From high-speed cameras that record production processes and provide frame-by-frame playback, to stainless steel cameras for monitoring clean rooms, IVC's video solutions can meet almost any environmental or operational requirement. When strategically placed along a production line, IVC's cameras can monitor and detect issues in real time. Team members see a live feed of the manufacturing line and quickly respond if an anomaly is detected. IVC's video management software immediately alerts operators with video forensics for quick downtime root cause analysis correlated to process events or failures. Managers can identify bottlenecks or other issues that may be slowing down the production process. The VMS can also link directly to SCADA systems, historians, downtime databases, and more. IVC works with industry-leading technology partners in the automation industry, so you get the exact solution you need to optimize your operations. Contact us today to learn more about how IVC's video solutions can help minimize downtime and improve the overall efficiency of your production processes.